Welcome to CSEC Biology, the cover page. I am Mr. Wilson, and we're pretty much in our new series, Tips to Be Exam Ready. We're already at volume 3, can you believe it? And we are, of course, looking at extra classes today. I know that the exams can be really frightening. It's like swinging over a cliff. But be comforted, you are not alone. So we're going to be looking at extra classes and see how they can help you to, of course, overcome that fear and to be better prepared for your exams. If you have not yet, please do so now. Like, share, and of course subscribe. And you want to ensure that when you subscribe, you hit that notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified as soon as there is a new publication. Now, extra classes, these are classes outside of your timetable class sessions. And of course, they are so important as they enhance learning and of course give another perspective of the content you are studying. They provide a space where you can share with others who of course have similar interests. Now, past papers are so important. Of course, they allow for more practice time and of course help those who are slower to improve and help those who are faster to perfect their art. Now, it allows for a change in learning environment. And of course, you want to probably check us out at CSEC Biology, the cover page, because that's where we have a extra class. And this extra class is on a Wednesday, Friday, and of course on a Sunday, where we're covering biology and HSB at 5:05 p.m. and we stream live from Jamaica. Now, extra classes help to reduce stress that are associated with more formal learning settings. And of course, make sure that you are eating well and getting enough rest as you prepare to, of course, ace that examination. One big thing you need to remember is that you should not lie to yourself. It's fine if you lie to others, probably it's fine if you lie to your teacher, your parents, I'm not too sure. But of course, when you start lying to yourself, it means that you are losing it all. In all that you do, ensure that you remember you are not alone. You are not alone. So remember, you're going to be using all the resources that are available. Check out our other series in, of course, preparing to ace that exam. You can visit us at CSEC Biology, the cover page, and we're, of course, on YouTube. Remember to like, share, and of course subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and select all. Until next time, take good care of yourself and ensure that you are preparing well for your examination.